guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is fun, it's a practical skill. Today, our topic of spoken English is where's. It's used to ask queries and questions. Let's have a practice. Guys and girls, you can see here on whiteboard, the first one is where's the library? Where's the library? Where's the library? Where's the library? Darul Mutaliya kahan hai? Next query is where's the mosque? 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 Masjid kahan par hai? Next is where's the post office? Where's the post office? Where's the post office? डाकखाना कहाँ है? Where's the post office? Where's the post office? डाकखाना कहाँ है? Next is where's the shopping mall? Where's the shopping mall? Where's the shopping mall? खरीदारी का मरकज कहाँ है? Next is where's the hospital? 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 अस्पताल कहाँ पर है? Where's the hospital? अस्पताल कहाँ पर है? Next is where's the coach station? 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 सफरी गाड़ी का अड्डा कहाँ है? Where's the coach station? सफरी गाड़ी का अड्डा कहाँ है? Next is where's the college? 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 College कहाँ पर है? Next is where's the mall road? 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 Mall road कहाँ पर है? And last question is where's the supermarket? 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 खरीदारी का बड़ा मरकज कहाँ है? Girls and guys, let's have a say again. Look here at from the start. Where's the library? Where's the library? Where's the library? Where's the library? Darul Mutaliya कहाँ है? Where's the mosque? Where's the mosque? Where's the mosque? मस्जिद कहाँ पर है? Where's the post office? Where's the post office? Where's the post office? डाकखाना कहाँ है? Where's the shopping mall? 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 खरीदारी का मरकज कहाँ है? Where's the hospital? Where's the hospital? Where's the hospital? Where's the hospital? अस्पताल कहाँ पर है? Where's the coach station? 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 सफरी गाड़ी का अड्डा कहाँ है? Where's the college? Where's the college? Where's the college? Where's the college? College कहाँ पर है? Where's the mall road? Where's the mall road? Where's the mall road? Mall road कहाँ पर है? Where's the supermarket? Where's the supermarket? Where's the supermarket? Where's the supermarket? खरीदारी का बड़ा मरकज कहाँ है? Hey you guys, you can make a lot of practice. You have to make more and more practice with these queries. By making a practice, you will be able to speak a good English. I wish you all the best. God bless you. See you next. Goodbye.